Alright, what I have here is a check engine light with 2138, p2138 that is. And diminished power shows up on the dash. The car won't go over 20-25 miles an hour very easily. And the fix for that should be this right here, which is a gas pedal with a speed sensor, or a position sensor right there. There's two position sensors on this vehicle. One of them's here and one of them is on the throttle body. But we're going to try this one first. And it's a pretty easy plug and play type of deal. What you're going to need is a 10mm socket. And then we come up under here, right next to where the gas pedal is. And if you can see it, right there is the single bolt. Now up top, there's some electrical connections. I'm having a little trouble seeing in here, but let's see what we can do. There it is, right there. You see it? And what we're going to do is we're going to see if we can reach up there. That the red thing on the right side of that plug is a lock. I'm going to have to pull that out, and then there's a little detent. There's a lock here that I can't do while I'm showing you, and then there's a little detent right there on the left-hand side, which is right there. And I'm also going to have to press in and pull out at the same time. Okay? But I'm going to pull the bolt out first, and then maybe that'll give me enough room where I can get you a shot of taking out the plug. All right, hold on for a minute. Okay, now there could be a silly problem here. This is the original pedal, and you can see the speed sensors right there on the side. And this is the pedal I ordered, and it came through with sort of like a speed sensor, a position sensor right in there. Okay, now, well, we'll plug it in. It has the same, pretty much the same connector, I think. It's just in a little different orientation. And I'll put it in and see what happens. Okay, you can see there's a little difference here, but there's a little bracket that slides up under, and then you put the bolt in and that locks it down. Then you put the plug in and it should work. But if this doesn't work, what I'll do is I'll get the exact part number off of this, off of the, and order the GM part. I had a hard time finding this one even over here. The dealer's back ordered. Parts stores don't have it. I had to order it. It took me over a week to get it. But with any luck, it'll install and it will work. And if not, we'll just get another one. Figure out something else. Alrighty. Alright. Replace the gas pedal sensor, or the accelerator sensor, inside here on the pedal. And it was about a 3-minute job. The car was sitting for a couple days and battery went dead, and I had to recharge the battery. But I recharged the battery and started her up. She started right up after I recharged the battery, and my lights are out. Or not my lights, but the lights. And I only put about, say, 10 miles on her, but she feels a little more peppy. I think that's still got it. I think I still may have to do the MAF sensor, but I'm having trouble getting parts. And what I did was I tightened all the connections on the air intake and everything like that. And we're going to see how that goes, see if she throws another code, because she was also throwing the p2138 code, which is MAF sensor. Another notorious code for these cars. And hope she's fixed. I'll give you an update in a couple days.